Look, you already know that mentoring is a key component of becoming and remaining successful in your career. In fact, I'd bet that just about every leadership book you've read, every career advancement course you've taken, and every supportive supervisor or colleague you've worked with have at some point mentioned the importance of mentorship to at least once. And this is wonderful, but there's a problem. You and I know there's something else. You know that finding a mentor and keeping a mentor can be extremely difficult, but it doesn't have to be. In this robust and refreshing workshop, seasoned business strategist, media personality, and accomplished author, me, Alex Tremble, will teach you the strategies that I've used to develop and maintain mentoring relationships with some of the country's most successful leaders. But that's not all. I'm also going to share some of the mistakes that I've made that have absolutely ruined my mentoring relationships so that you don't have to make those same mistakes. This workshop is specifically designed to provide you with the foundations needed to identify the right mentors, build your initial relationships with these mentors, and understand when you've entered into an unhealthy mentoring relationship. So, if you feel like you or your organization's employees can benefit from knowing how to develop substantive and mutually beneficial mentoring relationships, then wait no longer. Visit alextremble.com today to book me to speak at your next workshop, team meeting, conference, or other work event. As always, stay strong, stay positive, and definitely stay moving.